Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, dear. Good evening, Amrita. Take page number 24. So, first case we have done. In the first case, what we did, if market value of investment is rupees 5 lakh, the same shown in the asset side of the balance sheet, it is also 5 lakh. So, there is no loss. So, entire IFR shown in the liability side of the balance sheet created by business, 50,000 will be distributed among old partners in old ratio. What will be the journal entry? IFR, investment fluctuation reserve account, debit 50,000 to old partners, capital account 50,000 in old ratio. Don't write IFR, you have to write the full form, narration and journal entry format. Everything should be there. Case 2. What is the second case now? If market value of investment is 4,80,000, so now you can check that the asset, that is investment, shown in the asset side of balance sheet is 5 lakh, but the market value is 4,80,000. Means, what is the meaning of this? Now the value of the investment has decreased by rupees 20,000. If value of any asset is decreased, it means it is loss for the business. So 20,000 is the loss. Now business needs to compensate. How? It has already created IFR, investment fluctuation reserve, liability side of the balance sheet 50,000. Out of that 50,000, this 20,000 loss will be compensated. After that, again 30,000 will be left out. That is the profit that will be distributed among old partners in old ratio. Again, no role for new partner. All these things old partner will get in old ratio. Why? Because before admission of the new partner, it is the hard work of the old partners who made the profit and created the reserve. So anything left in that they will enjoy. If any loss happened in the reserve, again they will bear. Old partner, old ratio. No role for new partner. So second case, IFR account debit, investment fluctuation reserve account debit 50,000 to investment. Why we are crediting investment? What is the reason? Investment is an asset. What is the rule for asset? If asset increases, we debit it. If asset decreases, we credit it. Here by 20,000, investment is an asset and it is decreasing. That is why we are crediting investment to investment account 20,000, and remaining 30,000 old partner will get. So we have to credit their capital account. To A's capital account debit, to B's capital account debit in old ratio. That 30,000 will be distributed. Now third case. If MV means market value, if market value of investment is 4,50,000. So now what is the market value of the investment? 4,50,000. Again there is a loss only. How much the loss? 50,000, because in asset side of the balance sheet, business is showing investment as 5 lakh, but in the adjustment it is given market value of the investment is now 4,50,000. So there is a loss for 50,000, and in the liability side of the balance sheet already investment fluctuation reserve is created for 50,000. Again partner will get nothing, because 50,000 reserve will be utilized to compensate 50,000 loss. Nothing is left to distribute among the old partner. Now what will be the journal entry in this case? Investment fluctuation reserve account debit 50,000 to investment account 50,000. Why we are crediting investment by 50,000? Again investment is the asset. Value of the asset is reduced by 50,000. Whenever any asset decreases, we credit it. So to investment 50,000, and entire 50,000 reserve is utilized to compensate this loss only. So nothing is left to distribute among the old partners. Any doubt? Case 1 and case 2, case 3. In all these 3 cases you have. Okay, fine. Please do practice at home. You have to practice yourself these journal entries and these cases. Now for
Ma'am, I have a doubt to the narration, ma'am.
yes, Varsha.
How are we supposed to narrate, ma'am? Should we just write what we have done?
Yes, dear. You are asking about narration, right, Varsha?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, a very easy narration. Whatever you feel, you can write. Like, for example, you can take which one? Case 1, suppose market value of investment is 5 lakh. Okay, so we have passed the journal entry IFR account debit 50,000 to old partners 50,000. Can you tell me, Varsha, what narration you would like to pass in this case 1? Tell me.
The market value has been distributed 50,000 to
old, yes, exactly, to old, not market value. Okay, IFR, investment fluctuation reserve. We are not distributing the market value, right? Because investment is still with the business only. We cannot distribute the assets to the partners. Just the reserve which is created out of the profit, we are distributing that amount because there is no use of the reserve since the asset doesn't have any loss. So you have to write investment fluctuation reserve is distributed among old partners in old ratio. That's it. Now you are clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Understood.
That's all. In this way only you have to do. Now case number okay, dear. Case number 4. If market value of investment is 4,20,000. Now what is the market value of investment? 4,20,000. It will be given in the adjustment. Whenever IFR comes, be clear. IFR you will find in the liability side of the balance sheet. Investment you will find in the asset side of the balance sheet. And the changes in the market value of investment will be written in the adjustment. So 3 places you will have this account: IFR, liability side of the balance sheet; investment, asset side of the balance sheet; market value, if there is any change, you will find in adjustment. Accordingly, you have to pass the journal entry or as per the requirement of the question. So in this case, they are saying market value of investment is 4,20,000. But in balance sheet, we are showing the not market value, book value. Book value of investment in balance sheet is 5 lakh. But in adjustment, they have given now market value is 4,20,000. Again, there is a loss of how much? 80,000 is the loss. And IFR, investment fluctuation reserve, created is 50,000, which you will find in liability side of the balance sheet. How you are going to solve this question? What will be the journal entry? First, as usual, you will write IFR, investment fluctuation reserve account debit 50,000. You have created reserve for 50,000, debit the account. Then how much loss? You have created 50,000, but the loss comes 80,000. Why? Market value is 4,20,000 and we are showing 5 lakh. So there is loss for 80,000. Now 30,000 loss you have to show in the debit side of revaluation account. Revaluation account debit 30,000 and the investment decreases by how much? 80,000. The total amount of loss is 80,000. Investment, value of the investment decreases by 80,000. So to investment, asset is decreasing by 80,000. You will credit the asset account, that is to investment account, by 80,000. The same rule applies here also as we did for WCR. Now the amount of this 30,000 loss will be distributed among old partners in old ratio, because whenever there is any profit, partners enjoy. In the same way, if there is any loss for business, partner needs to bear that loss in their ratio. That is the reason. So now this loss needs to be paid by the partner to the business. Again, we have to debit their capital account because partner needs to pay this to the business. Old partners capital account debit. Suppose A and B are the old partners and their ratio is 3:2, for example. So A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit, and this 30,000 you have to distribute in their old ratio. 30,000 into 3/5, 30,000 into 2/5. To revaluation account 30,000. Any doubt? Any doubt you are having in case number 4? Varsha, Roshni, any doubt, dear?
No, ma'am, but I think if I practice, I'll understand.
Very good. You need to practice, dear. Okay. And whenever,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, dear. And Varsha, Roshni, everyone, whenever you are not able to attend the class, please don't miss the recorded video. I am sending for you people only. Okay. No use of just taking recordings and sending in group. Okay. I am doing this only for you only. So please take it seriously. Whenever you get time, old recorded videos, go through it and start practicing. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, dear.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So now case 5. This is the last case. If market value of investment is 5,50,000. Now see this question. In asset side of the balance sheet, we are showing how much value of investment? 5 lakh. And we have created reserve investment fluctuation reserve in the liability side of the balance sheet 50,000. In the adjustment, now the market value comes to 5,50,000, means it is more than the reserve. So there is no loss. Investment we are showing 5 lakh. Value of the investment in market is now 5,50,000. Business is not suffering any loss. In fact, business is earning profit of 50,000. Now how we are going to deal this? So there will be 3 journal entries in this case. First, IFR account debit 50,000 to old partners capital 50,000. Why? Again, there is no use of IFR because there is no loss in investment. Whenever any loss in investment, then only we are going to use IFR to compensate the loss. Value of the investment is 5,50,000, means more than the what? More than the value shown in balance sheet. So no loss. So the entire amount of 50,000 will be distributed among the old partners in old ratio. IFR account debit to old partners. 2A's capital account, 2B's capital account, the same. Old ratio 3:2. You have to distribute the 50,000. Then what will be the next? Revaluation account, as I told you, it is a nominal account. What is the rule for nominal account? Any loss, any expense of the business, we will show in the debit side of revaluation account. Any income, any gain of the business, we will show in the credit side of the revaluation account. That is the rule. Here, when the market value is 5,50,000, it means 50,000 is the profit earned by the business. The profit will be shown in the credit side of the revaluation account. And you have to debit investment. Why you are debiting investment? Investment is an asset. The same rule. If you just catch the concept, you can solve any question. There is no question in the world which you can't solve, but you must focus on the concept. Here we are debiting investment account. Why? Always ask yourself why we are debiting this, why we are just blindly don't write debit credit. Try to understand the logic. Here we are debiting investment account because value of the asset has increased, and the rule says whenever asset increases from 11th onwards you are studying the rule for journal entry, traditional or modern approach, whichever you are following, just focus on that. Modern approach, what it says, clear rule, CLEAR. If asset increases, debit it. If asset decreases, credit it. Here asset is increasing from 5 lakh, it is coming to 5,50,000. By 50,000 more it is increasing the asset, value of the asset. That is why we are debiting investment account debit 50,000. As it is part of the income, we have to show in the credit side of revaluation account. So we are crediting to revaluation account. Just think about the loss. If any loss has occurred, value of the investment is decreased. So in that case, what we used to do? We used to credit investment because value of the asset decreases. Here value of the asset increases, so we are debiting investment account. Then what is the third journal entry? Again, this 50,000, who are going to get this 50,000? Old partners. Whatever profit business is earning, who are going to enjoy the profit? Partners. In the same way, whatever loss business is suffering, who are going to bear this loss? The partners. Whenever partner enjoy business profit, partner's capital account will be credited. Why? Because business needs to pay profit to the partner through capital account. Their capital will increase. So we are crediting partner's capital account. I am repeating this concept again and again so that it comes to your mind. In the same way, whenever partner needs to pay anything to the business, capital decreases. We debit partner's capital account. In this case, who is going to pay to whom? 50,000 is the increase in the value of investment, profit for the firm. Firm will pay 50,000 to their partners. Whatever profit firm is earning, firm is not going to keep itself. It will pay to the partners. So whenever partners are going to get, we have to credit their capital account. That is why what we are passing the journal entry. Revaluation account debit to old partners capital account. Again, only old partners, no role for new partners. Whatever reserve, whatever IFR, whatever WCR, everything, if anything left, partners, old partners are entitled to get in old ratio. No new partner will come in this. Note it down. I hope till here it is clear to you all. It is clear, or still you have any doubt? Roshni, Varsha, any doubt, dear?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
No, ma'am.
Okay, Roshni. So that's all for today. We can end the class. Please revise till I have taught you. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, dear.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, dear.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, dear.